Lesson number 18. Explanation. Long, long ago, there lived two little frogs in a pretty pond. They were very close friends. Pond was full of life. Fishes darted about, and tiny insects buzzed around. All the day long, they played about jumping from lily pad to lily pad. They were the happiest little frogs in the world. The frogs loved the rainy season, as there was lot of water and life. The rain stopped, weather became hot. Soon it was summer, and days became very hot. The pond began to dry. Without water, the lilies dried up. The frog friends were worried. Then they thought over the situation and decided to search for a watery place. They hopped and hopped. One of them saw a well, but it was quite deep. Seeing the water, the friends became happy and wanted to jump into it. But one of them stopped the others because he could see the problem. He said, "If the well also get dry, then they cannot jump out so high. They cannot leave the well like they left the pond." The other frog agrees to that and thanked him, and they went on to look after for a safe shelter. How well it is said, "Look before you leap." Word meanings: darted, moved quickly and suddenly; lily pad, one of the floating leaves of a water lily; headlong, head first. Diving headlong means diving into the water with the head going into water first and then the rest of the body.